Hello and welcome to another episode of For the Record. I am your host Aditya Lokhande, and today we are joined by Quest, Samad, and 3BHK, who are infamously known as Gair Kanuni. So guys,
What's
क्या
up?
चालू? What up?
बस सब बढ़िया ब्रो.
भाई हो रहा
नायर क्या
है.
बोलता?
मेरे एग्जाम शुरू हो गए.
What
All
are you
good,
studying,
bro.
bro?
All good.
Samad?
ब्रो तो मैं पॉलिटिकल साइंस पढ़ रहा हूँ.
Okay, interesting.
या या
Interesting.
सो राइट नाउ थर्ड
Bro,
ईयर.
really? Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, I didn't know that.
Bro.
या
Yeah.
Political
Jatin
Yeah.
science.
also.
Yeah,
Jatin
I
is
did this.
also a pol science major.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
Oh,
Yeah,
भाई,
damn.
बताओ जरा.
Yeah.
उनको ही
Jatin
नहीं
के
पता.
जब एग्जाम्स चल रहे थे, I was
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
at his stories and I was like, I know exactly which paragraph this is from.
Great. I mean,
यार तू काफी फनी लग रहा है ब्रो. तू लिटरली मतलब आज मल्लू मल्लू लग रहा है ब्रो. 3 years
हाँ भाई पूरा like
Represent,
अबे-
bro.
this is
Represent.
not what I've never seen Abhishek look like. I don't know what it is, dude. Everything about his face has changed.
he he
Represent,
looks
bro.
like he just might drop a Mallu verse of the year bro. Like अच्छा अंडे डा डा डा
Bro,
डा डा
पढ़ता
डा.
है bro. Influence, bro. You adapt to the place.
भाई
when you're
तूने
in.
Oh,
तूने
shit.
बहुत टाइम रह लिया यार. I think he's been in
Yeah.
Kerala too long,
Yeah.
bro.
Okay, so Samad, I think Samad is from Delhi.
Yeah.
Jatin, you're from Mumbai,
Yeah, I'm from Mumbai.
and Nair is stuck
Mr.
in
Worldwide.
Kerala. He's stuck in Kerala.
Mr.
Yeah,
Worldwide.
yeah. Kind of stuck in, but like like I'm from everywhere now. Like pretty much everywhere. भाई हर जगह.
That's
अपन हर
deep,
जगह
bro.
रहते हैं.
Dale, bro,
That's
Dale.
deep, bro.
डाले.
और अभी तो अगले साल BHK का एक और बिग मूव हो रहा है.
हाँ bro.
Yes.
For real, for real.
Okay, guys. So, like talking about, I want to dive straight into your EP. आज
Let's
रात
go.
की पेशकश. Bro, मैं तो I wasn't aware of you guys पहले, Jatin and Samad. मैं अभी नायर तो is a friend from college, so I've always liked his stuff. I've always liked what he's like been doing with his bass music and all. तो मैं बोला अभी ये क्या सीन है, ये हिप हॉप में कैसे घुस रहा है. And then when I checked out the EP, I was blown, bro. Like 6 गाने, almost 15-16 मिनट, and क्या फाड़ दिया यार तुम लोग ने.
Thanks, bro.
Insane, dude. Like because
like
so I have been following. I don't have my roots in hip hop, but I've been following hip hop because they अभी अपने इधर नया है, bro, hip hop relatively. So I've been trying to, I've been looking around at people, seeing what they're doing, and what you guys have done with the EP. It is so fresh, so authentic, and nothing like मैं ये गली से है वगैरह वगैरह. So
Oh, shots.
it's like really cool that you're saying that, because that is, when we were talking about making this, जो हम मतलब I pitched the idea to Jatin and Abhishek separately in
right.
like
May.
must have been May, yeah.
Mhm.
And I've been like bugging Abhishek for a while also that you have to produce a project for me and all that. And then both of them, somehow it was because it was lockdown, 100%, everyone was at home, सब पक रहे थे. So they were both like, fuck it bro, करते हैं. मैंने जतिन को 2-3 beats भेजी थी. पहले जतिन को मैंने,
Yeah.
so the first beat was All Nighter, which
Okay, the last track.
Abhishek sent, yeah. Abhishek sent it to me in December last year, 2019. 2019.
और
and
with the subtext की भाई ऐसे ही है सुन के देखना ऐसे ही.
yeah, he was like, ये तो मैंने ऐसे ही बनाई थी भाई, ये तो मैंने चाहिए ही ये तो अरे. And like I was like, okay bro, fine, you don't want it, fucking I keep it. Like I was like, you're missing out on a hit here, but okay. And then Nachu, not Nachu, what is it called?
Yeah.
Kaisa Paisa. हाँ.
Yeah. Kaisa Vaisa. The beat was called Nachu.
Yeah, that one I made also in December last year. That was actually supposed to be on my first EP Bhajans.
Okay.
But it wasn't, and that was also one of those where these two beats, dude, I've had them live with me since December, and I was just waiting के I was like इसके लिए एक right time आने वाला है. Like,
Hmm.
so, Jatin, हाँ,
No worries, bro. Continue, continue.
सही है bro,
I mean,
सही है.
it goes back to where like me and Samad, for me at least, okay, like me and Samad, when we, I think this was very abrupt ki matlab I so like as you said, right, Aditya, ki like out of nowhere hip hop wala scene chad gaya ekdam 3 BHK ka. So
Yeah.
this was like back when I had a beat, okay, like random. I
Mm-hmm.
had some beat, like what Google Drive folder or something, and I
Updesh.
sent one of them to one of the beat to Udbhav. All right, shout out to
Mm-hmm.
Teesri Dunya. And
Udbhav.
Udbhav told me about bro अपना Samad. Udbhav said कि भाई ये मेरा तो नहीं है but Samad को भेजो. And
Mm-hmm.
that's when we made अपना Updesh.
Bye
And
Bangalore.
Updesh was our first track where me
Mm-hmm.
and apna Samad collaborated. And then that's where we started. Like we started this around, I guess, 1.5 years ago. About
Dude, I'll
the
tell you,
whole project ki banna hai bhai, banana hai, project banana hai,
August
project
last
banana hai.
year, August
Yeah,
2000,
yeah.
when did Bhajans come out, bro? Was it last year or the year
एक
before
साल हो
last?
गया, I think, yeah.
एक साल, हाँ, एक साल.
Yeah,
So
right?
August last year, which is exactly when Question I started talking as well.
Okay.
I
Interesting.
put out Chanda at that time, this beat I made with Natik, and Jatin messaged me like, "Hey, bhai, maine ye suna," and which is actually pretty cool, bro. Like all this shit just started happening at the same time, and right.
Yeah.
So then Jatin also hopped on my EP. He did Gasolina, the interlude,
Mm-hmm.
which
Yeah.
was, like I was like, okay, this is some
So
fire
he
shit.
sent me that beat around that time, and when I heard it, I was just like, ये कुछ तो अलग है और ये मेरे zone में, because it kind of had that quirky old school vibe to it. So when I heard it, I was like, shit, इस पे तो कुछ तो सही से करना है. And I was
Bro,
in
he
that
killed
time
it.
at
He
that
fucking
point where I was
killed it.
writing like a lot of English music as such. So I was like, नहीं इस पे तो हर एक line it has to be like meaningful. So I was going through that phase where I was like, whatever I write, every line has to have a meaning and it has to bang and it has to be a bar.
You know, it's like every line is like, he was like straight bars for 2 minutes, bro.
For real though, bro.
And Abhishek produced the first track. Acha, you
Intro.
So
The intro one. Yeah,
Updesh
oh.
For that Bhajan CP.
Bhajans.
Bhajans,
Updesh was
okay.
the first track that was made.
Yeah.
That
And
kind
then
of
we
started
had like
out
we have
the
been
EP.
this long going talk कि भाई एक EP बनाना है, project बनाना है, project
Because
बनाना है.
Bhajans just sound, like that Updesh just sounded so different. Like I was,
भाई, हाँ.
your vocal
Yeah,
processing is
he
what made
vibed
me
with
wanna.
it.
yeah.
And yeah, we didn't even the surprising fact is कि भाई इसने पूछा तक नहीं भाई क्या कौन. Like he straight up hopped to it, and like we straight up exchanged WhatsApp numbers and all, and that's when
Yeah.
we started the whole 3 BHK Samad ka projects. And then
Yeah.
it came up, and
This
by
is
this year
this is Samad hopping in, right? Like Samad
for
contacting you.
Bhajans
Yeah,
ka
yeah, yeah.
Updesh, yeah.
No, so he
that's-
sent me that beat.
Yeah.
We were talking pehle se, like thoda ke I heard you. I had
हाँ,
heard his
exactly.
song, bro. I'll tell you, you dropped Tape Control.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
And
okay.
Tape Control like blew my mind, you know. I fucking love that bass shit. And no one in India is making bass music. I guess people are, but I don't like any of it that much. And this shit is like, it blew
Okay, I
my
get
mind,
it. I get it.
bro. That fucking that sample, bro, it got stuck in my head for so long that tape control to your brain, bro. And I was like, I need to do something with this guy. So I like मैंने passing में बोला
Yeah,
मैं
we were
EP पे काम कर
बहुत
रहा हूँ.
कम थे. Yeah, right.
And then one day, out of the blue, like 3 weeks after that, I think he sent me the beat. Wait, did you send me that beat when I was in Tokyo?
You were in
Yeah,
Tokyo?
you did. Yeah. I had a layover there, so I stayed there for a day.
Okay.
And Abhishek sent me the beat there when I was there. And like just the whole flight from Tokyo to Vancouver, I was just fucking like, thinking about what I want to do with this. I landed, I set up my shit. Like I have a picture, bro. I didn't set up anything in my room and I started recording this song. ढूंढता हूँ भाई, पर तुम लोग बात करो किसी चीज के बारे में तब तक.
So that's when I guess like this year, from Jan onwards, we started talking about the like this till then अभी तो कुछ decide नहीं हुआ था. I didn't even know Jatin was in. I didn't even know he knew Jatin. All right, I knew Jatin कि मतलब one fine day he contacted me कि I guess some track I guess he heard and like he was like
I heard
guys,
this.
we had a nice talk.
Yeah. I heard Let You Go. I heard.
Oh
भाई
yeah,
यही
yeah.
था
and,
भाई. मैं
uh,
पहुंचा, मैंने ये किया और मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया इस ट्रैक.
Oh shit, nice.
Like nothing else was ready. I was like, I need to
Damn.
do this.
सही है
yeah,
bro.
so
Damn
like
fun.
Insane.
at that point of time for आज रात की पेश I sent that all night a beat and then it started like ये मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता था ये background में चल रहा था ये पूरा scene and then he
हाँ, क्योंकि
yeah
पहला हमने ऑर्च किया था
हाँ so he
और वो भी
sent me
पूरा किसी को पता नहीं था.
so he sent me one of the tracks where Jatin was he produced अपना Samad produced and Jatin was spitting fucking fire to it ठीक है and I was like
और
who is this पहली बात तो अपना
जगा
ये and then he told me कि भाई ये है अपना Jatin है Quest को भेज रखा है and I was like bro all right तो फिर then we started like we made the group and all I guess and then this began the whole thing. So the thing with
Bro, yeah.
apna Samad is na bro, like Samad, I don't know for some reason I just know what he is looking for some weird
Yeah, this
reason.
guy knows, bro. Every beat
Alright.
he sent me, I've wanted to use. Whether I've used it or not, whatever. But I've definitely got it. Like, I've got a project file with it.
We
Like,
had a connect from get go and like he made a lot of the almost all of the tracks and then I got the stems and like stems bhejo stems के तो अलग नाटक थे वो समझ और जतिन so and yeah that's how the whole thing went on man like yeah
oh, and bro, there were so many songs that didn't even like make it out
Yeah,
of
yeah.
me and
There's a
Jyoti
second
WhatsApp chat. Like,
second EP coming. I'm assuming. मैं पोस्ट देखा था तुम
more
लोग
on
का.
that later. More on that
Yeah,
later.
yeah,
Yeah.
But
Like,
It's definitely
with,
happening.
with Jatin and I were honestly, we were discussing a completely different concept. Like, we were gonna do a proper like concept EP that was like, I don't want to get too much into that because then I won't stop talking about it.
so no worries. But like coming back to आज रात की पेशकश. First the name गैर कानूनी. It's so catchy.
Yeah.
गैर कानूनी, bro. Who was that? Bro, shout out to Jatin for that. Really catchy name.
yeah
Could you just, for the sake of this conversation, could you?
So I was going through a lot of names, so we were just checking ki kya rakhe, and I think by that time we had made like 4 tracks. So by the time that was done, I was like, okay, we need to have some kind of name that we run with because it's 3 of us. Like ये ऐसा core like बोलते ना group या rap group type shit नहीं है, but let's just have a name that we run with which defines our sound as such. So like what
Okay.
should
Born
it
Okay
be?
Please is the first one I
Yeah.
suggest.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
what?
The
Born Okay Please.
oh
And
That would have been a good
instantly,
EP name.
That was it, dude. That's a good idea,
Yeah.
and I might steal that.
yeah.
So Horn Okay Please, dude. Instantly, everyone like just like I'm reading the messages out, bro. Abhishek is like Sahi, and Jatin's like fuck yeah, bro. and then like we were like okay, it's decided. And then a minute later, Abhishek's like nahi aur socho. Literally, there's 5 nays in this message. And then it kept going, bro. We kept fuck or kaun se. Jatin wanted to name it Atapi Vatapi.
Okay.
Like
So
the
because
demons.
that came like Sacred Games mein tha, and that's always been like I'll probably name one of my projects that depends whenever I do that. But
I mean,
like,
names never go
it
to
just
waste.
sounded like it just sounded like a cool ass name. But then Gair Kanuni jab aaya, then we said like Gair Kanuni, so everybody was like
Yeah.
okay, like that defines the whole sound and that defines the everything that we do because this kind of shit. Because at that point we seriously didn't give 2 shits about anybody while we were writing verses. We were just basically जो भी सिर में आ रहा है on top भाई डाल दो सब के लिए shots fired, and we just didn't give 2 shits about anybody and we just wrote what we felt like at that point. So after we made it, we were like,
And we also
this
really
shit's
wanted
kind
the
of coming sick.
production to something like
Yeah.
Production had to sound grand, like.
No, definitely,
You know,
man.
it had to be a fucking dude. That's what I was saying. हाँ कि Jatin और मैंने like Abhishek also hasn't heard these songs, bro. Jatin and I must have written like maybe 2.5 EPs worth of music.
Not
And,
gonna
like,
lie, I always knew this was going behind my back. तुम लोग बहुत छुपाते हो मेरे से.
अबे
I
क्योंकि
know
हमें
that.
यार it's you know like it's like if I send Jatin something and I say yo like do you think my like verse is okay and shit like and he'll tell me कि अगर अच्छा है then I'll send it to you no but then if he's like अच्छा नहीं है then what was the point in me sending that to you like
You
also I
might have
really
scrapped like
feel
3 to 4 songs ऐसे ही.
yeah that's what I really feel that if I this is another like exactly what you're saying bro about scrapping songs because we scrapped a lot of songs like
Mhm.
songs that were pretty much complete and I was very scared that because these guys are they're like me when it comes to the process right they're fucking you know like एक चीज अच्छी नहीं लगी तो बोल देंगे and then it's out like the first time I wrote a verse for कैसा पैसा bro Jatin like he replied to me saying भाई मजा नहीं आया and I was like
भाई
okay
तो
that's
वही तो
out
चाहिए ना process. I mean,
वही exactly
it's great that you guys are being honest with each other. That is why
And
yeah
that's
the
the
EP
no
is
कैसा
what
beauty
it
पैसा
is.
wouldn't have
that
been
goes
half
on.
the song it is today if I had that original verse it was fucking awful but like fuck what was I yeah so there's a bunch of songs that we canned so the reason I won't send Abhishek you I won't send you demos like that is because I was really scared that if I just sent it to you instead of being like isko badal sakte hain you'd just be like can and so I'd send it to Jatin first I'd be like what should I change because like you know like if someone says no there's no point arguing because then it's canned like
Love
if
the
one person doesn't
dynamics
want
you
to
guys
do
have, man.
it so then like and for kaisa
That's
paisa bro I didn't send Abhishek the original version which he would have canned like
Insane, yeah, insane. So, like Samad and Quest, I have something like one thing I noticed, like तुम लोग का flow यार बहुत ही unique है,
yeah.
and your writing style is also very unique because so most the rap I have been consuming in terms of research or whatever, it's either like I will go to the extent of listening to some Punjabi club rap, or I'll come back to the Mumbai rap. But you
yeah
guys have set I mean, I would, I don't know if I should categorize this, but I would like to call it alternative hip hop
Mhm.
because it
Yeah,
is.
it's in that vein for sure yeah
Yeah.
Jatin, you were saying something?
yeah, I think you're kind of right with that because the whole sound they we are writing and what we're speaking about, I don't think that's been done or बोलते ना वो ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है like it's
Yeah,
something
yeah,
totally
yeah.
different in
dude
that sense कि
yeah like not to blow my own whistle but like I do listen to a lot of rap and okay you could argue that the bars aren't like the most like socio-political and shit like that but one thing that you can't say to me is that the production and the flows are not absolutely fucking perfect like we dude there have been 15 takes there have been 20 takes bro there have been retakes of ad libs like there have been changes like I would
yeah.
bother Abhishek so much no like for ad libs I would be like no you have to turn it up a little bit and pan it to the left and he'd be like no I don't want to fucking work anymore today and I was like then you do it tomorrow and Abhishek would also dude the vocal take that I sent him for Oho he mixed it but he didn't really like it and then he made me send him 2 more he went with the original one but we went through that whole process like
We
which
made
kind of made
2-3
sense
takes and yeah, exactly.
That
And we
is
still stuck
Oho.
on to the first one.
Oho is probably my favorite song on the track. Sorry, on the EP.
dude that beat bro like I made
Yeah.
that fucking beat with oh there it is this motherfucker
Oh, oh.
it's the first beat that I made I got this synth and that's the first beat that I used to sequence
I have a feeling that Samad is going to show a lot of things which are relevant to the EP. कि oh भाई ये photo हो गया.
देखते हैं भाई देखते हैं let's see where it goes you know what like I'm glad the camera is facing this way and not that way because
When he kind of first sent the whole beat like Oho, like the beats just like every beat that these guys have sent, it just kind of shocked me, like, bro, ye kya hai? Like, this is because this whole thing started in May when he sent me Kaisa Kaisa ka beat, and I was like I've told this stories many times, but like scene यही था कि I heard that, I went to the bedroom, मैंने खिड़की खोली, I called him up, I was like, bro, like ये काफी सही beat है, and I cussed and I swear, and because I was shook, I was like, bro, ये क्या है? So I'm cussing and I'm swearing like, bro, ये तो काफी सही beat है और ये काफी type beat है ये वो, and then my mom is behind me, and she's like, she agree है, और she tapped me on my shoulder and she's like, क्या 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 चल रहा है, गालियाँ क्यों देख रहा है? So I was like, so I was just looking at her कि like अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ? So I was like, ये beat काफी सही है, and
He
then she
literally said
actually
that,
made me,
bro.
yeah, and then she actually made me play that beat कि तू मेरे को सुना पहले कि क्या है ये, तू मेरे को सुना कि तू क्या सुन रहा है पक्का. So then I played it to her. So that was crazy, but it took a lot of time. I think that was the beat which we took a lot of time because we went very back and forth. मेरे को तो खुद को नहीं जम रहा था, but
And we knew
everything
that track
else,
needed to be
yeah,
really good. Like,
yeah, because you know that's the, I think it's like one of the best songs out of the EP. But बाकी के भी जो
it's
जितने भी beats है, like whenever these guys have sent me, I was like
Bro,
bro,
Oho,
like
तो
this
I'm
is
had to
some
like,
pick a
really
I'm
favorite.
crazy
I was
addicted to,
like,
shit.
ऐसा
I'm
वैसा.
addicted to the song. ओहो मेरे को इतना सही लगा है ना तुम दोनों का whatever bar you spit man it's insane तो वही यार so you guys since when are you into hip hop or like are you guys do you have your roots in hip hop पहले से or did you like come in later
Roots mane, how far back are we talking?
भाई 21 साल तो not that far but
Why? So like I've been listening to hip hop religiously since 2016, I'd say.
okay
But I also listen to a lot of like alternative rock and like synth pop and fucking dude, my favorite album right now is the fucking new Dua Lipa album, man. I love that shit. It's so good. Like I think my two favorite albums this year were the new Dua Lipa album and the Strokes album. I
Oh,
yeah,
New
that
Abnormal.
new Abnormal, dude. The
Hey.
production on that thing, man. It's the vocal. Rick Rubin is a god.
Bro, for
yeah,
real,
for
no
sure for
cap, bro.
sure
Like Rick Rubin to hai, bro. I think that's one of my like dreams. You know, like when I see all of his interviews and stuff, because he has been there for a very long amount of time, and he has
Yeah.
worked with almost everybody.
Everyone,
Like,
every genre,
yeah,
everyone, bro.
like imagine being in a room with that guy, and when you see him, you know कि like ये बंदे को काफी कुछ पता है, like because he has come from a point where he was like raging, and now when you see
Yeah.
him he's like cool, calm and collected, so you know like he possesses that knowledge and he knows way too much shit, and he has worked with everybody. Like imagine being
Dude,
in
and
the
he
stool with
founded.
like rock to hip hop to almost everybody, like you know, so it's just, I think like that's one of my like both in a bucket list kind of shit to like
Bro, like Johnny Cash
speak
to
to
Jay-Z, like
once.
what a
Yeah.
range of artists. And
You know,
he
like
did you see that post? Pigeons and Planes posted it. That he
hmm.
fucking founded Def Jam Records in his dorm room, bro.
Yeah. I
What,
saw you shared that.
dude? And I was watching this interview of Julian Casablancas with Anthony Fantano, and Julian Casablancas, he's talking about how like working with Rick Rubin, even for a band like The Strokes, it was like it became like a joke. Like in every meeting, people would be like, "Oh yeah, you want this album engineered by Rick Rubin, don't you?" And so like when the one time that actually happened, like it's like, dude, he's done so much. He's like I can't name more influential like mix
definitely
engineers than Rick Rubin.
Yeah. Him and
definitely
what's I think him and it's Mike Dean. You know?
Mike Dean for now, yeah, but I just think
Yeah.
Rick Rubens, dude, he's
Yeah,
he's
he has like
left
a
his mark on
much
music over the
bigger.
past 45 years, bro. Like,
Bro, imagine being in some shit for like 45 years, bro, and just like her ek project is like has changed culture in like the biggest way possible ever.
definitely वो है so yeah about alternative hip hop अपने इधर है क्या कोई और alternative कर रहा है
है भाई, है.
so like could you name some of them
not off the top of my head, but like there's stuff that I've like heard on SoundCloud and stuff, and like I don't know what is experimental hip hop, because honestly I would say that maybe you could even classify Nanku Sharma as an experimental hip hop album.
Yeah. See, I think like Teesri
Grahan
Dunya,
and
yeah,
these
yeah.
guys,
Teesri Dunya is
yeah.
somewhere where a new sound of India, like hip hop to hai, but a new sound coming from India for me, which I was introduced to, because मैंने ये सारी चीजें सोची थी, but मैंने कभी देखी नहीं थी कि ये कब होगा. And these guys were like the first introduction to me in terms of that kind of music कि यार ये कुछ तो काफी अलग है.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, when you talk about alternate hip hop or like something like this, experimental or something, honestly, I have no other names other than Apna Samad and these guys and Teesri Dunya and Grand and all. Honestly, यही नाम निकल like because these guys are actually pushing
Man,
forward
it's
this
just
thing.
where is the line between what is considered like, okay, if it isn't, what is the opposite of experimental or alternative hip hop?
No, so I see
No,
what.
but I'm saying because I'm not sure where I would define that.
Yeah,
Like,
exactly. वो भी है, हाँ, yeah, true.
like let's talk about that, right? Like where do you think that is? Because if we can figure out what we all agree on, then it'll be a lot easier to classify who is experimental or not.
So when I say alternative, I don't necessarily mean experimental.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
But it's not so. Abhi, like your EP does not necessarily have a trap oriented sound to it.
Oh, and that was so intentional.
Yeah, we made sure of that.
Not 1 808. That was the rule. But I broke that rule on Jagado. Jagado has 808.
Though that is exactly why I was looking forward to talk to you guys, because मेरे को जानना है यार ये like how.
भाई तो ये I think ये मेरा प्रश्न है.
Go for it. Yeah.
I fucking love 2000s hip hop. I know everyone's like, oh, the 90s were great. Oh, the 2010s had, bro. Maybe lyrically and all that, yeah, but dude, 2000s hip hop had the most insane production. Not even just 2000s hip hop,
Yeah,
dude, 2000s pop. Like, one of my favorite songs ever is Toxic by Britney Spears, because holy shit, bro, that Lata Mangeshkar sample,
Yeah.
yeah, like, dude, 2000s music is just it's that shit bops. It's like Scott Storch, like Pharrell Williams, Chad Hugo, the Neptunes. The Neptunes are probably my biggest inspiration when it comes to production. So like when I was producing this album, Jatin was like, he was catching on to it every time I'd send him a beat. He'd be like, okay, yeah, this is like that. Like, and you know, then we kind of, after we made a few beats, I was like, we were talking and I wanted to talk about, like, I want to mention this anyway. And then Jatin was like, dude, like, I think we should keep all the beats like super fresh and we're going the right direction. Like, and then we, you know, it's like heavily inspired by 2000s music. I was listening to so much of the Black Album, dude, Jay-Z, God. And then even Magna Carta, that album, like the songs on that, dude, BBC and Heaven. I think those two inspired me the most for this project. So that is like, we made a conscious effort to make it sound like a fresh take on 2000s hip hop production. And that's why there's like, you know, there's a sample chop in there, there's a fucking synth bass line in there, there's another sample chop in there, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's pretty.
नहीं यार वही है कि I mean, and even if you've just like you're saying, you've taken a lot of efforts to, not sound like the mainstream trap oriented.
Not to not sound like it, but to sound like the 2000s artists. Like, that is the music that Jatin and I think we listen to. Jatin and I listen to so much fucking Jay-Z, like so much Jay-Z.
Sorry, I was just kind of wrapping something up back to the topic. So picking up where he was speaking about these beats and everything from 2000. Bro, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, like whenever these guys send me beats, मैंने ऐसा कुछ कभी नहीं सुना है. It's just something way different, and it's good too, because यार हम ऐसे है कि हम fuck नहीं देते bro, कि like हम हैं, like फिर हम कैसे भी है ना, हम हैं, we don't give two shits about anybody. So like when he sent me these beats, we were just like, okay, because whenever you hear a Samad song, like you can be like बोलते हैं ना like yeah, you can be like, okay, these are not the hardest bars, or he's not having a socio-political outlook, या ये दिल्ली जैसा नहीं है, या ये बॉम्बे जैसा नहीं है. But I think it just fits so perfectly well in his own lane, and he's carving out a new, like बोलते हैं ना, एक नई lane बना रहा है वो खुद
For
की.
sure,
And so
for
that's
sure.
why we made the whole tape when he sent me this, because I've already heard like bhajans. So I know, और उसमें मैंने miss out किया था because then I had an English track on it which was fire, but फिर लोग सुनते नहीं है इतना. So
और मेरे को इससे
yeah,
एक
so
चीज
when he
याद
came
आई.
back, he was like, bro, तू हिंदी में लिख रहा है. I've heard your fourth quarter and I know is the shit.
हाँ,
To switch man. और तू हिंदी में लिख. So I was like, okay, done shit.
that is
So
the
yeah.
like the moment I knew I wanted to do a project with
Yeah.
Questions when I heard fourth quarter.
And
When
I've
these
been trying to
guys-
make a switch. But like मेरा English में काफी सही से जमा हुआ है, like, you know. तो फिर हिंदी में करने, like I was thinking on it for a long time. This was a perfect project for me because इसमें मुझे कुछ hold back नहीं करना था, because
Yeah.
I just had to
Yeah.
write like the dopest lyrics, and production में तो ये लोग थे ही पहले से. So when they sent me,
Yeah.
every time I was just like, this beat is so far, like इस पे तो justice होना चाहिए bro.
Jatin, you were great man on the EP.
Yeah.
मेरे
He
को
was fucking
I-
fantastic.
Yeah, dude, like-
bro.
Bro,
like
his
you're
voice
talking
takes a
about तेरा
three-way
इंग्लिश में
effort.
तेरा इंग्लिश में पकड़ है. I think तेरा हिंदी में भी उतना पकड़ है
Bro,
bro.
हिंदी में उतना ही
Yeah,
पकड़
yeah.
है.
Bro.
तो वही से ना, it's because these guys came along that I really was being able to kind of do this shit in Hindi. I was बोलते ना, successfully I was able to switch over to Hindi. Like switch over नहीं, English तो बनेंगे, but like I was able to find my ground कि अच्छा हाँ ठीक है, हिंदी में मैं ऐसे लिख
Yeah.
सकता हूँ या ऐसे सीन कर सकता हूँ. Because और मतलब it's not just about me. So if you really go back and trace the project as such, तो समद ने like he has written the dopest hooks and the dopest, like जितने भी chorus और hooks सुन रहे हो, that's all Samad. And
That's all.
then
Yeah.
we
yeah.
just made verses and we sent it to this dude BHK right here. And bro, देख मैं देखो सच बोल रहा हूँ, मई जून जुलाई तक है ना, हमको कोई उम्मीद नहीं थी कि ये कैसे बनेगा क्या है, बिकॉज हम खुद कंफ्यूज
और हम बोल रहे थे भाई कि हम ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं 2 हफ्तों में, हम करेंगे ड्रॉप.
so every me and Samad are going back and forth, और हमारे पास सिर्फ वर्सेस है, हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है. Like, so we are not even sure. I'm very skeptical at this point. कि
No
ये
one
कैसे sound
wanted to
करेगा.
ask the question,
Yeah.
who is going to
Yeah.
take it from
So-
here to
so-
here. Like both of
yeah.
us knew someone else was
Yeah.
needed, but
So-
no one wanted
yeah.
to say it.
So then Samad had BHK up and like BHK mix mastering कर रहा है और वो सब कर रहा है. So I was like, cool man, I don't mind because I've heard his tracks and I know कि इसमें वो काफी सही है. But I didn't know कि ये बंदा बोलते ना like actual, जैसे तुम कान्ये को co-producer का tag दोगे, because he doesn't do everything by himself, but he tells everybody कि like ये direction में जाते हैं. इधर ही आएगा, इधर ही आएगा, इधर ही आएगा.
इस project
Yeah.
का.
So we just gave him verses and we just gave him stems and beats कि भाई तू ये ले. And this
And
dude
like
has
sentences, like bro, make it sound like
Yeah.
this, and he'd be like,
Yeah.
can you give me like 2 more words? And I'd be like, okay, make it a little bit distorted and then make my vocals a little stereo. And he'd be like, I got it, bro. And he'd do like 16 different things. And dude, like, you know how Jatin said that he had like both of us producing the tracks and I've did the hooks and shit. So he was just in his zone. Like there was no, like he could go in. Bro, as soon as Abhishek said, like, so Abhishek sent 2 beats. There was All Nighter that we decided was Abhishek's, and then the original intro was also one that he made, which is definitely going to come out at some point.
yeah.
But as soon as Abhishek was like, I am down, right? Like that's how I felt then, you know? I was like, okay, now like even I can just kind of like.
Hey.
समद, दिल्ली का सीन अकॉर्डिंग टू यू क्या है? कैसा है दिल्ली का हिप हॉप सीन?
भाई lit है भाई. There's too many good artists to even name. Like it's just, bro, I think, and it's not just Delhi now, dude. People are, the whole country is popping, and it's all these.
That's true, man. That's
Yeah,
true.
definitely. I mean,
It's all these internet born
Yeah.
and raised.
for sure,
like,
for sure.
musicians,
Yeah.
most of them without any formal training, who is still making absolute fucking bangers. Dude, Delhi's like, you know, sometimes I think about it this way, that I know maybe 25 people who I would like, who I can like hit up at any time, right? Like I'd say that's like the largest extent of my extended friend circle. Of that, fucking 15 of them
Wow.
make music, dude. And that's just
Oh, like,
12
okay,
people
we are having
in
a
Delhi.
community
Like,
then in
Delhi
Delhi.
has 36 million people, bro. Like, dude, can you even imagine how many people there are making, like, aside from just the ones that we know about, like, every other day someone fucking sends me a DM like, yo, I made this song, and I go into it thinking it's gonna be trash, and I'm like, what? Like, dude, 3 beats on my tape are from people who joined my Instagram live and asked me if I would hear their music. Like, it's insane. There's like all you need is a fucking laptop, bro, and if you want to record, you need an interface and a mic, which is like sub 10K. Like, I'll be honest, dude, there are 2 songs. Okay, this is a big shout out to Abhishek. 2 songs on the EP were recorded on a phone mic.
Oh,
And still, and it's out there, bro.
damn.
I want you to
अगर आप
guess.
ध्यान
I want you to
देंगे।
guess which ones they are, because if you had to guess 2 songs on the EP that you think were recorded
Bro,
on a
abhi
phone
to you want to guess right now? Shit, wait.
mic. Yeah.
One of them is your favorite.
ओहो लग रहा था मेरे को, but is it like ओहो फोन पे किया?
Don't on him.
Yeah.
Damn.
It's
Hey, buddy,
the same
it's
thing that I'm using right
Weird.
now. So what I do is I close all the doors and stuff. खिड़कियाँ बंद करके I plug this into GarageBand, and then I wrap a towel around this, or then I just scream at everybody who makes noises, and then I just record shit and I
Damn.
send it to them.
You get a clean fucking vocal
Bro,
signal.
shout
dude,
out
like,
to
it's
3
insane.
BHK.
The other one.
Yeah.
The other one.
Hey,
Guess the other one. This one you won't be able
क्या
to guess
बात कर
only.
रहा है?
I'm telling you, it's impossible. Guess it.
भाई
Dang, 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 dang,
Ta-ta.
dang, 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 dang.
उठा बादल में देखे सपने.
hey.
All nighter, bro.
Oh, shit.
All lighter, bro. All
क्या?
lighter.
I was trying to भाई मैं
Isn't
नाम याद कर रहा था.
Isn't that song
So what
cleanest mix?
what I
though?
do is कि like whenever I listen to an EP मैं नाम नहीं देखता. मेरा ओहो पे ध्यान. I was like क्या है ये?
ओहो का पहला वर्जन काफी अलग था, and when this dude sent it back with all the noises and everything, and ambulance noises, machine gun noises,
Oh.
और ये सारी चीजें, I was like shocked. I was like, and the first music that I heard, और उसकी loudness and just the way it sounded, I was like, okay, like this is some industry standard shit. This dude can mix master, and this is काफी तगड़ा shit, bro. Like, this is काफी तगड़ा.
भाई तगड़ा तो है. I mean नायर भाई तू you are like literally the project manager here.
Yeah.
I mean it's a corporate term but
I guess.
Yeah, dude, like you submit everything to him, like everyone does their own, and then he like figures out
Yeah.
where everything goes.
And that's one of the best things about Gair Kanuni. Internally, यही scene है कि we're pretty fucking cool with each other's opinions and honesty. तो अगर इसको कुछ
Yeah,
सही
yeah,
नहीं लग रहा है, ये
Yeah,
सीधा
bro.
मुंह पे इंसल्ट कर देता है कि यार ये सही नहीं लग रहा है यार, ये टट्टी है, या तू ये बदल दे,
Bro,
या वो कर दे.
Yeah, bro.
Pure intention से आता है
Pure
भाई वो.
intentions गाली के साथ,
Yeah,
pure
exactly.
intentions गालियों के साथ.
Dude, when Abhishek sent the first mix, when he sent the first mix of Kaisa Paisa, bro, I replied, I was like, भाई क्या तू बैठ गया क्या?
We might have done like 3 to 4 versions of that shit, huh?
And Abhishek also, bro, he replied saying, yes, this is the worst master I've ever done in my life.
सही है यार. This I mean
Bruh.
I'm sure man तुम लोग के बहुत EPs आएंगे.
15 मिनट में उसने वो फाइल
Sorry?
भेजा. So like
15?
हो गया. It took him 15 minutes. Like, you know, he sat down, he was like, okay.
भाई खतरनाक. अरे yeah, so Jatin, now you're in Mumbai. Apart from the like मुंबई में तो गली scene का ही गली रैप वाला scene. I mean गली hip hop is a new term now, bro. Wikipedia पे मैं check किया.
Oh, yeah. And it's all cool, man. So when you kind of trace what's happening and stuff, so देख यार मैं तो 2006 से follow कर रहा हूँ कि
Oh shit.
यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है. So I've been looking at Mumbai's finest, and I've been looking at Encore with a K,
Yeah,
ABA
yeah,
meaning
yeah, yeah.
Encore, Mumbai wala Encore. Then I've been watching Divine also, and all these things, and I was very intrigued by this stuff. कि like, okay, क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. So I used to follow this shit. So when the time came when Divine was literally blowing up, I was looking at every move like they were making, and I was like, okay, like ये हो रहा है. And when Divine का album popped and when Nazy came, I knew like अभी वो तो गंदे stage पे और जो भी phase उसका चल रहा है. But when he came in, everybody was doing English. When he came in, everyone switched. In Mumbai, everybody switched because सबको पता चल गया कि ओके ठीक है, हिंदी में भी कर सकते हैं और ये भी cool हो सकता है. क्योंकि he made Afat, which was kind of cool. Like it
Yeah.
was his first cool song, and he made it okay कि
Yeah,
like
yeah,
हाँ ठीक है,
yeah,
हिंदी
yeah,
में भी
yeah.
कर सकते हैं. Then everybody kind of switched. I think it even had an impact in Delhi, and even Delhi people started to jump onto the whole Hindi thing. So that kind of went on for Divine आया, and Divine has always been smart about how he approaches things. तो उसने किया, मेरी गली में हो गया, गली movement, okay ठीक है, that's done because that's the most sensible thing to do. So even if you look at Toronto and if you look at Drake, so it's not because just Drake is Drake. Drake के साथ एक पूरी movement है 6 की. Like he reps his city, Toronto
Yeah,
6.
yeah,
So
yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah.
how he runs with it because that's his movement. So even Divine picked that up. So I was like, okay, ये भी काफी फट्टे move है. I fuck with this shit. And he made that thing. तो फिर गली हो गया. Then everybody, like the whole thing came crashing down, and it's like stereotype now because गली बॉय बनने के बाद ऐसा सीन हो रहा है कि हाँ हो गई, ये confined है और ये ऐसे ही ये ऐसे आइटम लोग हैं और ये लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं और ये लोग ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनते हैं और ये लोग धारावी से ही निकलते हैं सारे के सारे बंदे और ये गरीबी को ही रैप करते हैं. So I don't fuck with that, bro. Like I don't do that because see the movie made those moves. It's stereotype shit. They got money out of it. That's done, but that's not hip hop. That's not what's coming out of here because I'm hearing way too much shit which comes out of Bombay,
Yeah.
and Bombay is like a melting pot, bro. Like यहाँ पे तो सब सुनेगा hip hop छोड़ के भी.
Definitely.
So it's like a melting pot of it. So तो गली का बोलेगा तो yeah, it's there. It's definitely there. Mainstream पे है. इनके पीछे जो public और labels है, they're getting money out of it. So वो लोग यही push करेंगे. But उसको छोड़ के जो हम बना रहे हैं या फिर FTS बना रहा है या Nuke बना रहा है या TNS बना रहा है या फिर रैग बना रहा है जो तमिल में आ रहा है या फिर बॉम्बे लोकल बना रहा है या ये सब लोग जो बना रहे हैं, that's also something which is there, but that's not gaining traction because it's not that popping yet. Like जो कुछ भी हो, and it depends on everybody's product and everybody's song कि how they do it.
Yeah.
But like you know ये भी काफी scene है. So the gully movement is cool in that sense, but I don't think, me personally, I don't, because for me like you need to have substance in your songs. Like your lyrics need to make sense because for me I've heard old school hip hop. Like मैं 90s बहुत ज़्यादा सुना हूँ. I still listen to that shit. My favorite rapper is Jay and Notorious, and like you know मैं काफी substance वाला बंदा हूँ. I listen to Kendrick, J Cole. तो अगर तू गाने में सिर्फ येड़े जैसी बातें कर रहा है तो ब्रो मैं फक नहीं दे रहा हूँ देखो, because I want something which makes sense. So either your hooks have to bang, your production has to be on point. तो यहाँ पे यही सीन है कि कुछ लोग पोस्टर बॉयज बन गए कि हाँ ये लोग है यहाँ पे, गली मूवमेंट है, एंड दे मेकिंग सॉन्ग. बीट्स सिक है क्योंकि प्रोड्यूसर सिक है, मिक्स मास्टरिंग सिक है, अच्छे स्टूडियो में कर रहे हैं, बट लिरिक्स नहीं है वहाँ पे. एंड देयर इज नो स्टोरी, there's nobody pushing the envelope, which I think which I think will come, and it's just about those people entering into the right places once that does. But like you know it's cool. I need lyrical substance.
नहीं, मैं notice क्या किया है कि what Divine is doing, there are like other rappers doing the वो एक, so Divine
same thing, एक trend पे hop
trend
कर रहा है.
मतलब see Divine I think he's really authentic in that sense, but बाकी लोग there is a sympathy aspect
Yeah.
जो lyrics through वो लोग like it's just become another market sort of.
Yeah. And I'm
Yeah.
personally tired
Yeah,
of everybody saying, because यार मैं ना बहुत लोगों से बात करता हूँ back and forth. So I've been speaking to a rapper who's from Faridabad, and he's like, bro तुम्हारे यहाँ पे काफी सही लोग हैं, जैसे Kid Shot हो गया. Kid Shot is dope as shit, bro. But उसको सामने नहीं लाओगे कि like Kid Shot is the person जो मुंबई ये कर रहा है, या this is something very new out of Mumbai, और TNS is something new out of Mumbai. तुमको यही दिखा रहा है क्योंकि ये स्टेरियोटाइप हो गया, बोलता ना. सो ही इज टेलिंग मी कि लाइक यार कुछ लोगों की वजह से, एमिवे वगैरह की वजह से, लाइक बोलते हैं ना काफी खराब हो गया है सीन, कि मतलब बॉम्बे का नाम खराब हो गया है. सो लाइक यू नो वो सीन है, but I think it'll definitely change because it's not gonna go for long. Like, और 1.5 साल it's gonna be booming because just the whole music scene, like 5 साल पहले जो अभी हो रहा है, nobody thought of that. Nobody was just wished for it. कि ऐसा कुछ हो कि okay, there's like a good hip hop music sphere right now. Also, independent scene भी इतना सही चल रहा है कि guys like us can make music and put it out there कि हाँ भाई. So even if we reach like a 1K streams organically, that's cool for us because वो genuine listeners हैं.
Yeah.
It's not marketed, promoted, and it's not all that shit. So we're cool with that.
और हो गए अब
है ना?
10,000
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही भाई we haven't pushed it at all.
How bro, you guys
like,
are not even active on your like Gair Kanuni wala page.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
भाई वही यार कंटेंट पोस्ट करने, that's a whole other, that's coming soon.
Bro, हमें
We'll say
वीडियो
that.
भी बनाने हैं, bro. Anybody who's listening who's interested,
पर
hit us up, bro.
अभी हमारे थोड़े रिलीजेस
Yeah,
प्लान्ड है.
yeah, yeah.
सही है.
Yeah. एक नायर साहब का तो
ए वो वाला
तैयार है.
ना जो लिंक भेजा तू मेरे को वो ना.
Oh yeah.
अरे ब्रो
हाँ yes.
ओ मेरे को नहीं भेजा तूने.
भेजा है भाई, ग्रुप पे.
अरे ग्रुप
पे
में
है,
डाला
bro.
है रे.
अच्छा. चल सुनूंगा मैं.
तो इतना ही
और
ही
फिर
था.
मेरी टेप आ रही है.
Right.
Someone has some crazy shit banging, bro. मेरे को इसने भेजा, I literally had a dank face on all the. ये काफी सही है, bro. And I just told him like I have to have a feature.
Bro,
on
so
this.
I know what Samad is doing through Malhar. So
Yeah.
Oh, Malhar is listen, dude. Like
खुल गया भाई, पता है इसको तो पता है, bro.
Jay's moment.
wait. Listen. As of right now, and before my project drops, Malhar is like my secret weapon, bro. Like people are gonna hear.
गैर कानूनी काम
He's produced.
और मल्हार.
Yeah, bro. Okay, so I'll tell you, bro. Malhar. Even more than this guy, but he's gonna master it. So he's gonna be like, obviously, he's like the executive producer because he'll fuck around. He does his magic, bro. You know, you send him stems, he changes some stuff around. It always sounds better than it did before. Like it always. He's never sent something back where I've disliked it. Like it's always. So that's gonna happen. But Malhar, bro, like this guy, bro. So he posted a story. And he tagged Jay Kanuni, and he was like this like. He said something like, you know, he shared the album and I was like, cool. So I followed him. He posted a story saying hot takes. And I just like, you know, with the ask a question. And I was like, please send beats. And he sent me 3 beats, bro. And I'm using 2 of them on the project. And then I sent him my intro and he co-produced that with me also. But bro, fuck. He's like, dude, Abhishek was my favorite producer, and now it's definitely like both of them are right now. Abhishek is sending me beats, so I'm gonna say it's Malhar.
Abhishek, I've got you covered. 3 BHK sent me beats, I've got you covered, bro.
It's the same thing like with Abhishek, bro. Malhar hasn't sent me a beat that I don't like. He sent me beats that I can't see myself on, so I haven't used them. But he hasn't sent me a beat that I don't
Samad
like.
forwards me 10 beats and then I just have to wrap my hand around कि मैं कब time निकाल के इस पे बैठ के लिख रहा हूँ. For real, bro.
भाई मैं जतिन को हर 2 दिन
हाँ, bro. और मैं तेरे को बनाता हूँ कि मैं भेज रहा हूँ.
हाँ, और फिर हम भूल जाते हैं. But the thing is, no, because of that, like it's also kind of like if I send you something and you're like, हाँ कर लूँगा, and then we don't do anything on, and even I don't remind you and you don't remind me, then we both kind of just figured out that this,
it's not meant
but then
to be
when
like
something like then when something really good pops up,
वो हो जाएगा फिर.
Everyone's on this, like everyone's on the same
Yeah, that's the great thing, you know, like क्लिक हो जाता है बस कि अच्छा हाँ, like तीनों नोट देते कि ये बीट सही है, ये हुक सही है, ये सीन सही है, और फिर अलाइन हो जाता है,
bro. Everything on the album was approved by everyone. Like the art went through so many drafts, bro. So many artists we talked to and all. Afif is a god. Then, bro, the beats. There were so many producers also that were
Yeah,
involved. There were
yeah.
a few features also, and then we decided to can all of it. But there was like a lot of stuff that, and it's not that everything on the album is agreed upon by everyone because we just agree on everything. Like yes. Like we went through a lot of shit, and so like
I think
so it was like if we
you
would
know,
say this is it, then like like there are more songs that didn't make it. There are more like
just
Right,
just
right,
just
right.
to add a little something to what you said. I think we took like
हाँ
3 weeks, दो या 3 हफ्ते तो we just took it like last phase में where we changed the intro and we then
yeah,
waited for the masters and stuff. So like literally there was like
and the
yeah
artwork
there
we
was just like a lot and back and forth की because we just was like यार ये bang
yeah
नहीं हो रहा है, अगर ये पहला गाना है ना then it has to
yeah
everybody just have to freak out कि
Yeah,
भाई ये
yeah,
कहाँ
yeah.
पहुंच गए और ये क्या हो
yeah.
रहा है. And I think the intro does that. I that's
And
my
bro,
favorite track bro. जब
I
PHK आ
like
जाता है, that was also a wild idea.
yeah नमस्कार.
Public service announcement
हाँ वो तो
करते
जतिन का
हैं.
idea था.
but he did that
Oh bro, and
shit.
then
Bro.
Javed,
Oh,
bro, when Abhishek
Javed,
Javed.
that's
yeah.
one song which he sent me. I was like, ये beat है. I was like, bro ये क्या है? ये काफी सही है. He was like, मैंने लिख दिया, मैं भेज रहा हूँ कुछ तो. I was like, cool, भेज दे. And he sent me something. And I was just then again I've got this dang face. I was like, ये groove काफी अलग है और ये groove मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना है. And the best thing about it is hip hop, but फिर वो जो synths और जो टडडंग जो arpeggio चल रहा है,
Yeah.
it's very Bollywood. And like पूरा tape भी वैसा ही, like it
Yeah,
has
yeah,
Bollywood elements and then it has this also. But it's not on the same lines what Vedang does. It's something very different altogether. So I was like pretty happy with that.
People keep asking me where it's sampled from. It's just not. Like it makes me really happy when people are like इसका sample. I'm like
ये
नहीं है भाई
ऑर्च तो मैंने ना इसको 4 बार पूछा, जो ये था.
और तो भाई भाई ऑर्च मतलब
Yeah.
जगादो की बीट ना भाई आदित्य जगादो मैंने गैराज बैंड पे बनाई है.
शीट
हाँ
माँ कसम
मैंने 4 बार
भाई.
पूछा उसको कि ये सच, तू सच बता, और मेरे को लग रहा है झूठ बोल रहा है कि इसने कुछ सैंपल्स यूज नहीं
अबे
किए
मेरे को भी
हैं.
झूठ
मैंने
लग रहा
4
है.
बार उसको पूछा है, मैंने 4 बार उसको पूछा कि तू सच बता कहाँ से सैंपल लिया है, किधर का है ये. एंड ही जस्ट लाइक नहीं यार ये ओजी शर्ट है.
नहीं है भाई. एक ही सैंपल है पूरे ई थिंग पे एक ही सैंपल है.
Aditya, I want to ask you this कि like even though you don't listen to hip hop and stuff, like what do you feel about the music scene which is going on right now, or like why do you do this, or like
What
तेरा क्या interest है? Yeah, the podcasting thing and music in general, जो indie scene है.
oh
Like
oh तू रिवर्स उनो खेल दिया ब्रो मेरे पे.
yeah.
Bro, so I
इंटरव्यू में ये बताते हैं ना कि इंटरव्यूअर को वापस पूछो और कोई सुनता है.
अरे yeah, so I listen to a lot of stuff. I listen to a lot of electronic music. I make ambient music as of now.
अच्छा सही
Yeah,
सही
yeah.
सही.
हाँ.
So ambient.
Wait,
Yeah.
what's your
No, but
Oh,
ambient.
yes,
So
yes,
ambient का
yes.
कैसा है? Ambient में कोई सुन रहा है नहीं सुन रहा है, it doesn't matter क्योंकि कोई नहीं सुनता है.
हाँ बट प्लग योरसेल्फ मेरे को सुनना है.
भाई
बोलो
तेरे
ना.
को भेज दूंगा मैं.
SoundCloud.
हाँ भाई भेज दे.
भेज.
हाँ ये कर
So
दो.
भेज
I
दे.
my last track
ये
I
सही
uploaded
किया.
was a 11-minute track called Lighthouse. It was inspired by The Lighthouse, एक psychological horror film है. I was like, bro, अभी तो बनाना है.
Bro, it's insane. I can tell you, bhai, epic how, like, for real though. Like, you should definitely get on to some, like, BGM scoring or something.
अरे bro,
Because that's it. bro.
अरे so
Collins
मेरे को
gets
बनाने में भी इतना
so
मजा आया ना bro.
अलग ही
Yeah, and
बट ये भी काफी है सीन, बोलते हैं ना कि लाइक प्रोड्यूसर्स जो लोग इस टाइप का म्यूजिक बनाते हैं, नॉट एवरीबॉडी गेट्स इट,
yeah,
बट देन पीपल हु नो इट दे नो कि हाउ क्रूशियल दैट शिट इज. बिकॉज यार तुम देखोगे तो फिर बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक तो काफी इम्पोर्टेंट टाइप सा सीन है. लाइक रेसन हमारे बीच में वो भी यही करता है, बीएचके भी उस पे काम कर रहा है, तू कर रहा है. And I've seen this one guy called Silent Nerves. उसका रियल नाम कुछ तो है यार, but he makes similar to what you're saying कि 11 मिनट के track and it's very ambient and stuff. And I've seen him at a Reproduce gig, and Reproduce gigs are like the craziest
Bro,
thing.
shout out to Reproduce for getting out so many obscure artists.
अबे यार मेरी कुत्ती
Yeah. I heard some. So मैं एक gig पे गया था, वहाँ पे we had the Silent Nerves, and Silent Nerves just brought a chainsaw. He has brought a chainsaw. He has guitar का violin वाला shit.
Noise music था
Like
क्या?
violin का जो string आता है वो guitar. नहीं Silent Nerves ही था. And literally what he did is chain, वो जो आरी रहती है उसने ना अपने पैर के बीच में रखी है ऐसी, और जो वायलिन वाला रहता है ना वो, and he's playing that shit bro. और मैं बोल रहा भाई तू कुछ गलती से कुछ काट ना दे वहाँ पे, तू क्या कर रहा है? But he is playing that shit, is making ambient and yeah, similar to like बोलते हैं ना वो सब, वो भी है like shout out to ambient music producers bro. You don't get half of the credit you deserve.
This is the first time.
Depressed
time.
Depressed and meditated.
No, this is the first time ambient producers are getting a shout out.
bro.
Hold on.
Depressed is also madman, but he's like
all ambient producers, bro. Let's go fucking.
Yeah.
Depressed and meditative motherfuckers need y'all, man. They need y'all. Shout out to y'all.
Holy shit. No, but like also, Jatin, to answer your question, like why we do this. So it's not just me. We are like a team of 4. So the 2 of them, we wanted to do something like KEXP. Are you guys aware of KEXP? Bro, KEXP is like a performance arts thing on. It's based in America. So they invite in all sorts of artists to perform and then interview वैसे होता है. So we wanted to do something like that, but उसके लिए funds and stuff. We were like यार let's start a podcast at least. देखते हैं क्या होता है. And like I was always interested in the musicians in India and across all genres because अपने इधर बहुत talent है यार. Yeah, अपने इधर बहुत talent है.
Bro, यार मेरा 2 साल पहले ना यही सीन था कि यार मतलब देख हिप हॉप या फिर कभी मतलब बोलते ना लाइक रफ्तार बादशाह ये सब वाला फेस छोड़ के लाइक व्हाट रिप्रोड्यूस इंट्रोड्यूसेस लिफाफा इंडीसी प्रतीक कुहाड़ हिप हॉप ही खुद में इतना बड़ा है ब्रो लाइक बोलते ना सो that's there. Then you have basically the real original folk music वगैरह which is in India. Now all these things mixing up और मतलब यार हमारा तू रीजनलिटी भी देखेगा तो मतलब इतने सारे स्टेट्स हैं, हर जगह अलग टाइप का ट्रेडिशनल म्यूजिक है, फिर जो अभी इंटरनेट किड्स है उनका एक अलग सा अप्रोच है, and then what they are making is something different. It's like a fucking melting pot of so much shit, bro. So when the best shit comes out, it's gonna be so dope. क्योंकि I think India right now is somewhere what 90s का music in America was, like like hip hop boom हो रहा था. Then you have the pop thing coming in, R&B है, Usher है, you have all
bro,
those
I think
things.
some classics have already been released, bro. Like, I think some classic albums are released already. 10, 20 years from now, people will be like, damn.
ARKPs.
I can't tell you what they are, but there's been so much music.
20 years later, I'll be like, bro, Kanuni music, them motherfuckers were dope, man. Who that, bro? That shit classic.
What hip hop has done is hip hop has in India में जो अपन local language में hip hop करते हैं, that has been able to penetrate in the masses.
Exactly.
Emiway से लेके प्रभदीप तक या anyone, they've all managed to sort of capture the attention of these people who were up till now just listening to Bollywood, let's say, because Bollywood is huge, but now they're listening to something that is not Bollywood.
Just to add a little bit something on that, वही scene है ना कि because a lot of people like rock वाले मेरे को बोलते हैं जब भी मिलते हैं कि like rock and indie pop was booming. Like it was about to take over Bollywood, and then Bollywood just came in and it took that shit and flipped it on his head. Or फिर you don't hear of the independent music scene ever. Like वो हो ही नहीं. But अभी का time ऐसा है कि the generation just doesn't give a shit about anybody. or
Dude,
there
yeah,
are
yeah,
streaming and
The
stuff.
way the people listen to music now in India, especially, is
Yeah.
like has changed a lot. Like
Dude,
drastically.
it's because Bollywood
Like,
isn't
it's-
the only option.
Exactly,
Like,
and I so wish.
back in the
Yeah,
day,
yeah,
what would you
yeah.
do if you wanted to watch a movie? You'd go watch a fucking
Yeah.
Bollywood movie, bro.
And I've had these
Yeah.
conversations with my friends and with my bandmates and stuff. Ki like, bro, like I just hope कि Bollywood का music dies. Like, and it's just indie music. Like, it's just independent music, and then they are paying them to get their music license to them. Because once that shit
Yeah, but bro, you know what's
happens,
gonna
no, bro.
happen? No.
Because फिर
Bro,
कैसा
what's
है
gonna
बात-
happen
yeah.
is
Because then they don't have
5-6
monopoly.
musicians.
Yeah.
Bro, but what will actually end up happening is there'll be 5 or 6 musicians from the indie, so-called indie. Indie just means underpaid. From the indie, bro.
I like that. Yeah.
And
quote करो अभी
Yes.
quote करो.
Yes.
इसका कल से चल रहा है ये
You're
सब
gonna-
कल से चल रहा है
भाई मेरे को
उसको एपिफनी हो गई है कल से
भाई सोच ले भाई 5 या 6 अगर आर्टिस्ट हैं सीन से जो बहुत फेमस हो गए बॉलीवुड वाले उनको हायर करेंगे और वो नहीं
नहीं देख तो
क्योंकि
यही
बॉलीवुड वाले ना पैसा डालेंगे उनके सामने and then they will be those
Yeah.
people and then the indie scene will
यार यही सीन है देख ये
like,
सीन
no one's gonna say
ये
no
तो
you
ये
know?
सीन हो चुका है पहले सो नाउ see take लिफाफा फॉर एन एग्जांपल तो अगर लिफाफा if like he goes Bollywood you know there's Pagal Henna behind him and he knows his shit too well to ever get played by them so you know for sure कि when लिफाफा blows up and he goes into that shit he's changing it forever bro like he's changing it same with hip hop so hip hop अगर तुम देखोगे तो मतलब यूएसए में भी और यहाँ पे we just a lot of shit that makes everybody else comfortable to do their shit and to push and बोलते हैं ना stand up for their shit there तो यार जैसे ह्यूस्टन से कोई एक बंदा था so he was using a lot of explicit shit बोलते हैं ना like काफी explicit चीजें थे उसके गानों में तो he went to court and they basically had a battle and ये वो and the court ruled in his favor तो अगर वो एक सीन नहीं होता था ना तो फिर there would have been no curses in hip hop like you just like explicit shit होता ही नहीं था like बोलते हैं ना fuck वगैरह ये कुछ यूज नहीं कर सकते थे तुम लोग और it would be censored जो यहाँ पे करेंगे गवर्नमेंट तो है ही अपनी वैसी वो सीन तो होगा बट देन वी जस्ट डोंट बोलते हैं ना नहीं होगा ये like because the way hip hop's been growing over here is just like crazy thing because hip hop के fans are crazy bro like बोलते हैं ना ये बाकी genre वगैरह के जैसे नहीं like वो आते हैं they
Yeah,
show
bro,
up
that's
they
true,
turn up
bro.
because I'm seeing like बोलते हैं ना the other day I was at
Aside from K-pop fans, bro, hip-hop fans
I
are the
hate K-pop
worst.
man
Bro, but you gotta give it to them, bro. They've got like a fucking army of fans.
Yeah, dude.
Bro,
K-pop
the
is
other
huge,
day
man.
K-pop?
K-pop is-
I don't like K-pop personally, but it's huge. You can't deny that.
How long until Badshah and BTS
Oh shit.
do like a track together?
I won't listen to that shit
I will. I wanna hear
Acha,
what it sounds like.
guys, actually थोड़ा like we are coming to the end of the podcast also. बहुत material है यार. But yeah, favorite. What are your favorite Indian artists, be it of any genre? Like, what are you listening to these days? तीनों बता दो जो भी है वो.
who want to start
I'm always listening to Udbhav.
Oh yeah, bro. Udbhav, I think I can watch for all three of us right now.
Plus one,
For
plus
Udbhav and the Teesri Dunya gang, right?
for him
Yeah.
But also, dude, fuck, who did I hear Abhi?
Dude, I love so you might know Catoptris and you know guys are really popping off and Catoptris like recently changing his style of music. I think it's gonna work pretty good. How he has changed from electronic to complete Hindi pop. I don't know where to put it, but yeah, he is getting there. And then there are people like अब तो अब लिफाफा वगैरह तो हो गए, right? लिफाफा अब तो आ गए ऊपर, but yeah, I used to really love him. Like when like जब अपना SoundCloud में आया था, and like the first time I found लिफाफा the guy out on SoundCloud, blown, like completely blown out of proportion. And then yeah, like I think few others are, there's this guy called Damir. I don't think he's Indian. I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah. So I think Kuala Lumpur or something, not particularly Indian, but yeah, Damir are coming up, and then we have a lot of the
Bro, producers
producer
तो
gang
भाई
Yeah,
अपने
yeah,
पास
yeah.
भाई
Bro,
on the अपना
dropped out
that
OP है bro,
dropped out.
dropped out OP है.
Producer gang, bro, trust me,
Yeah, yeah.
like
भाई
if I do name har ek banda,
हम्म।
it's gonna take a lot of time. You need
I
another
just think
episode,
like
bro.
there are
bro, मैं बहुत जल्दी ये बोलने वाला हूँ.
4 parts of like बोलते हैं ना हिंदी music. Like एक ये producer वाले जो 3VH के सबको पहचानता है. Like it's just wholly solely them. Then it's FTS, 3D, us over here.
Oh, FTS, bro. Yes, FTS. Shout out to
Shout out
FTS,
to
bro.
my
ये
crew,
कैसे?
bro.
Let's go.
So Nuke है, TNS है, definitely.
Bro, TNS
TNS,
album,
yes.
this EP man,
I hear a lot of
TNS EP,
we worked our asses off on it, bro.
insane, fucking loved
I
it.
Jatin ko hats off because he worked both ways during the Aaj Raat Ki Peshkash, and he was working
Yeah.
side by side with them also. I like, wow,
Oh,
dedication,
bhai.
bro. Let's go.
Hustling man, Jatin is hustling.
Oh shit! Oh god.
Cause your whole yeah, bro. It's just been like a
Bro,
lot of
also
hectic shit.
also
man.
massive shout out to my
Yeah.
bro. He's helping me so much with this.
अरे
video.
bro,
Malhar,
Malhar
bro,
का
yes,
तो
yes.
I'll tell you, I have been
And Abhishek
Yeah.
is going to also. I'm putting it on the spot now. Who's mastering this tape, bro? Bro, who is
देखो
it,
आप पे
bro?
आपका पहला प्यार कौन है?
आप आशीष जी आप.
यार यार ये सब छोड़ो, मेरे को मेरे गाने डालने दो पहले यार ब्रो. बस गाने बना के रखे, डालने नहीं मिल रहे भाई.
हाँ भाई, मैंने तेरे को एक गाना मतलब कितने टाइम पहले भेजा होगा भाई. तू verse लिख के रिकॉर्ड करके
एक महीना कल
भेज.
मैंने लिखे, कल मैंने
this
4
this
लाइन लिखे.
felt more like कि you guys had to catch up बोल के I was a medium so that you guys could बात कर पाओ कि भाई कौन सा ट्रैक क्या करना है.
और अभिषेक मैंने तेरे को स्टेम्स भी भेजे हैं भाई. क्या कर रहा है? भाई तूने तो बोला कि तू वहां पे बैठ के ऑफिस में ही कर लेगा भाई.
यार
क्या
ये तूने
क्या
सही
हो
बात
गया
बोली
यार?
क्योंकि लिटरली आफ्टर ARKP like everybody's just been doing their own shit. मैं काम पे लगा हूँ, मेरा हेल्थ इश्यूज चल रहा है या कुछ सीन है, इसका भाई काम वाम चल रहा है, समाज के कॉलेज वाले चल रही है.
Okay guys, so it was great to have you on the podcast. मजा आया बात करके.
Yeah, bro, it's a lot of fun.
Thanks for having us.
ना यार तेरे से अलग से आई थेरेपी लेता हूँ मैं तेरा अलग से.
Yeah, कानूनी.
गैर कानूनी OP bro.
कानूनी bro, गैर कानूनी.
We out here snatching your bitches and money bro.